year before Thanksgiving. We went up a bunch. You're looking at a smaller scale though, right? So if we go back to that day, which was what, November, I guess it was November 25th, right? When was Thanksgiving? What day was Thanksgiving on? Let me switch candles. Better see. So we were down on the T+2 day and then up 8% on the following day. And then that Friday after Thanksgiving, it was on the 26th. And that Friday we were up another 9%. It's the scale. You're considering the scale, but you're not considering the fact that, between those 2 days there was a 16% increase in the price on GameStop. Those scales have been magnified, right? They're more extreme now because of illiquidity. So after Ryan Cohen's buy-in, the magnitude of these movements picks up. But a 16% gain over 2 days is huge. That's a huge run. It looks tiny when you look at the candles, but you're not looking at the data behind those candles. Usually say they don't short on days they have to cover. This no volume trickle means they definitely ain't shorting like yesterday. And if they'd covered, wouldn't they continue to short today? Yes, they would. I agree. I think here with the regular candlesticks, you can kind of see it best. We see volume come in. This is probably from dark pools. We see volume come in strong and a small short to cap it, right? Because of SSR. So we're not seeing, like, this may be some selling here, but we're seeing the short volume come in to top off the buy volume, right? So if they've broken up their position that they need to cover today into multiple dark pool orders, right? As those print and the stock runs due to SSR, they can then only short the green, right? They can't short a downtick. So we may see some like day traders selling off, but mostly we're going to see these green runs capped by small amounts of short volume. Is there no Epic Pen? No, there's Epic Pen. It's working. XRT about to break out. GameStop might be about to break out. It looks like it's about to regain its trend. So that's a plus. Y'all are smart. Still no in the money puts. 16% would take us back to 250. That's pretty good. Yeah, it is. I still don't think they covered SG or sorry, Trey. I believe it will retest 185 before earnings. Have an earnings spike and MOASS start on December 19th cycle. Your thoughts? No, I don't think so. I think we'll either see a roll or a fail of the futures. So either we'll run all the way into earnings. We now have our earnings date, which is relevant. This is supposed to be the 9th, right? No, it's the 10th. So our earnings date is here. It's on the 8th, right? Um, so we will either see continued upward price action into the roll, and this indicates that they are rolling, or we will see nothing, maybe a small uptick into earnings and then down. And this is a fail. Either way, whichever happens, there should be more movement here on 12/22. This is the T+2 window from 12/19 expiry. I'll clip it.